As the chips move rapidly through the processing line, these metal guides expertly divide them, ensuring a consistent flow into separate lanes.
Utilizing a bulk feeder, the BG19 system ensures that every bag contains the precise weight of chips before moving to the packaging stage.
The BG23 stacking station ensures that every single crisp is perfectly aligned before being precisely lowered into the container.
As the sun sets, this colossal machine can harvest an acre of potatoes in less than an hour, transferring them directly to the waiting trucks.
Bathed in the golden light of sunset, this massive operation highlights the of contemporary.
As you can see, this one is exactly within tolerance. We monitor every batch before they move down the line.
Every hour, this facility processes thousands of pounds of potatoes delivered fresh from the fields.
This facility alone holds over 50,000 tons of potatoes, ensuring a year-round supply for the processing plants.
The journey begins here, as thousands of pounds of potatoes are carefully moved from storage onto the first stage of processing.
Here in the washing station, powerful jets remove the rich soil, ensuring only the cleanest potatoes move down the line. Utilizing the difference in density, the vigorous washing process effectively separates the clean potatoes from heavier stones and debris.
This is the vigorous cleaning stage. High-pressure water and rotating brushes ensure every potato is scrubbed clean before moving further down the line.
The potatoes are fed into the massive steam peeler, where they are sealed and subjected to high-pressure steam for a brief period.
All right, the next batch is coming through. Check the quality on the far side.
The potatoes now move through the washing and scrubbing section, where high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes ensure a thorough clean.
In this close-up view, you can see the abrasive action of the rotating brushes as they strip away the skin, revealing the clean potato underneath.
The potatoes are first moved along a metal mesh conveyor belt, where they are thoroughly rinsed by numerous overhead water jets.
Ensure all the green spots are removed before they pass this station.
We are maintaining the speed on the line as requested.
We have to make sure every single potato eye is removed before it moves down the line.
Make sure the scoop is clean when handling the rice flour.
And keep an eye on the conveyor belt speed at Station 5.
The automated dispenser ensures precise measurements, halting exactly at 5 kilograms. The peeled potatoes are rapidly sliced into thin, uniform chips by the high-speed machinery before cascading onto the conveyor belt for transport.
Immediately after slicing, the fresh chips are submerged in a turbulent water bath to remove excess starch before the frying process.
Once sliced, the chips are immediately transported to the multi-stage washing bath. Here, powerful jets of
After a final rinse under the water jets, the potato slices move through inspection, draining excess water along the way.
The potatoes are continuously fed into the boiling vat, a crucial step in the blanching process before frying. The slices are gently agitated by submerged mechanisms, guaranteeing consistent texture as they swirl toward the next stage of production. The potatoes are quickly blanched by the high-pressure steam before moving on to the inspection phase. Quality control is crucial at this stage, ensuring only the finest slices move on to the frying process.
Quality control is essential here. Each slice is inspected by hand to maintain our high standards.
The stainless steel machinery handles the bulk processing, while our team performs vital manual inspection and quality control.
Keep an eye on that relief valve. The pressure's spiking again.
Yeah, we're almost up to the limit on the main line.
We use this coring tool to get a precise sample. This helps us ensure the quality and consistency of the batch before it moves down the line. Quality control team meticulously samples each batch. Once approved, the cooked potato slices are fed directly into the processing hopper.
In this close-up shot, the thick potato mash is churned by the rotating arm, as the dry white powder is introduced to thicken the mixture.
This massive drying tower is the heart of the operation, converting the potato mixture into a fine powder.
Here we see the thick potato mash pressed onto the drum. The steam indicates the precise temperature required for the perfect texture.
Here we see the thick potato dough being compressed by the massive roller. The resulting steam is a sign of the rapid drying process underway. A continuous sheet of dried potato flakes moves along the conveyor belt, where a large metal blade periodically descends to cut them for further processing.
The dried mash is continuously scraped from the drum dryer, resulting in the characteristic thin, high-quality potato flakes you see here.
Here we see the finished potato flakes being moved from the hopper onto the main conveyor system.
The dried potato flakes are transported along the conveyor belt, moving steadily toward the packaging area. The flakes must maintain a consistent golden hue and irregular shape to ensure the highest quality product.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the irregular flakes are carefully distributed, forming the thick layer required for the next stage of processing.
The flakes move from the narrow belt to the wider conveyor, ensuring a consistent flow of product to the drying drums.
Here we see the automated precision of the flake production running alongside the chute-fed line for our signature golden potato chips.
We have to ensure the weight is exactly 250 grams before packaging. The scale helps us maintain consistency.
Here we see the granular material being transported along the main line before dropping into the massive conical silos for storage.
This massive facility processes raw materials using miles of interconnected piping and huge reaction vessels. The yellow granules are carefully combined with the precise streams of white powder, ensuring a consistent blend for the next stage of production. The industrial mixer utilizes these large silver blades to ensure a completely homogeneous blend of the coarse granules and the fine white powder.
As the mixing blade is rapidly rotated,
The industrial mixer ensures the dough reaches a perfectly smooth and elastic consistency.
Using the metal scraper, we carefully portion the dough before shaping it into the required elongated oval for the next stage.
Once the lid is sealed, the yeast activates rapidly. In just moments, the dough expands, ready for the next stage of processing.
This sophisticated mechanism ensures the delicate yellow dough is gently deposited onto the conveyor system without compromising its texture.
The rollers flatten and stretch the dough, transforming it into a long, wide, and thin sheet as it moves along the production line.
Here we see the dough being precisely thinned by the massive rollers, a critical step in the pasta-making process.
Utilizing a focused red laser beam, this machine precisely cuts the pale yellow dough, creating complex patterns at high speed.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the pale yellow dough moves uninterrupted, highlighting the precision of modern food production.
Here we see the dough entering the massive stainless steel drum, where it will be precisely laminated and chilled before the next stage.
The specialized rotary cutter utilizes multiple blades to precisely stamp out the circular dough shapes.
The conveyor belt ensures a steady flow of the freshly cut dough lattice, maximizing efficiency in the plant.
The automated system precisely lifts the excess lattice, ensuring the perfectly cut circles continue down the line for the next stage of processing.
Here we see the intricate lattice being pulled away, a testament to the precision of modern food production. In this state-of-the-art facility, the dough circles are kept in perfect uniformity as they travel down the line.
The BG5 conveyor system ensures a continuous flow of product, handling thousands of dough circles every hour in this facility.
Mechanical arms with specialized flippers gently flip the dough circles as they move along the conveyor belt, ensuring proper positioning for the next stage.
As the dough reaches the end of the white conveyor, it is precisely dropped into the aluminum trays, moving in perfect synchronization below.
As the trays enter the vat, the intense heat creates this plume of steam. The dough pieces are rapidly cooked. Submerged in the turbulent oil, the dough pieces quickly puff up, their surfaces crisping to a perfect, light golden hue.
The submerged conveyor system ensures that each piece of dough is cooked evenly at a consistent temperature.
Excess oil drips away as the freshly fried donuts begin their journey down the production line.
Here we see the fresh potato slices entering the fryer, where they will be rapidly cooked to a perfect golden crisp.
The BG9 system guarantees high-quality results every time. Notice the clarity of the golden oil.
The raw slices enter the vast pool of hot oil. The mesh conveyor ensures even cooking as they rapidly turn golden brown.
After frying, the chips move onto a wide conveyor where mechanical paddles gently spread them out to ensure even cooling and seasoning.
Batch number BG11 undergoes precise flavor application. Our specialized nozzles ensure even distribution.
Once fried to a perfect golden crisp, the chips move rapidly along the conveyor system, ready for seasoning.
Utilizing advanced optical sensors, the BG12 identifies and removes discolored items at incredible speed.
This long conveyor belt is the lifeline of the BG13 facility, moving the chips efficiently towards the final processing stage. Fresh from the fryer, these golden potato chips tumble into the conditioning hopper before being seasoned and bagged. The massive hopper collects thousands of golden chips every minute, ensuring a constant supply for the next stage of the process. Here at station BG14, the seasoning is applied in a fine mist, ensuring every chip is coated perfectly before packaging.
Here in the seasoning application area, the chips receive their distinctive coating of green herbs before moving on to the next stage.
Here on the seasoning line, massive rotating drums ensure a perfectly even coat. The golden chips tumble continuously, cascading from one stage to the next.
After leaving the rotating drum, the perfectly seasoned chips begin their journey down the line.
As the chips leave the seasoning drum, they are carefully spread onto the cooling conveyor, ensuring even airflow and perfect crispness.
The chips travel along the BG17 line, where powerful industrial fans rapidly reduce their temperature before the final seasoning application.
After the seasoning is applied, the chips travel along this cooling conveyor, ensuring the perfect crispness before packaging.
Checking the seasoning coverage on this curved sample. It looks uniform and adheres well to the ridges.
The chip snaps cleanly in half, showcasing the brittle, crispy texture you expect from a premium snack.
Okay, found the discolored one here. Diverting to the reject bin. Keep an eye on the color grade. We are seeing too many burnt ones coming through. Okay, sample collected from line 3, bringing it over for moisture analysis now.
Taking the third sample of the hour. Notating the time and color consistency.
We carefully scoop the seasoned chips into a sterile bag. This sample will now be analyzed by the lab team to ensure consistent flavor and texture.
Thousands of perfectly seasoned chips cascade down the belt, ready for the final stage of packaging.
As the chips tumble onto the vibrating mesh screen, the rapid movement shakes off any excess seasoning and small.
This specialized equipment ensures that every chip is perfectly aligned for the optical sorters further down the line.
As the chips move rapidly through the processing line, these metal guides expertly divide them, ensuring a consistent flow into separate lanes. Once fried to a perfect golden crisp, the chips are stacked and begin their journey down the line to be weighed and bagged.
The BG19 uses a computerized multi-head weigher to ensure precise portions of chips are delivered to the bagging machine below.
Utilizing a bulk feeder, the BG19 system ensures that every bag contains the precise weight of chips before moving to the packaging stage.
The BG20 stacking station utilizes advanced pneumatic grippers to precisely organize the chips.
Once we see the BG20 in action, the robotic arm gently picks up each golden brown chip and places it onto the vertical stack with mesmerizing precision.
In this state-of-the-art facility, hundreds of Pringles cans move along the BG21 conveyor line with absolute precision.
The BG21 capping station ensures an airtight seal. The blue mechanical heads press the iconic white lids.
The mechanical guide ensures every can is precisely oriented before it reaches the filling station.
The seasoned chips are rapidly dispensed into the iconic red container, ensuring perfect consistency every time. The BG23 stacking station ensures that every single crisp is perfectly aligned before being precisely lowered into the container. A precisely measured stack of chips is swiftly inserted into the can, ready for the next stage of the journey.
Here at the automated sealing station, the iconic red canisters receive their airtight foil lids before moving on to packaging.
Here we see the intricate dance of the sealing station, where precision robotics ensure a perfect airtight seal on every can that passes through the line.
The BG25 heat sealer applies precise pressure and temperature, fusing the foil lid to the iconic saddle-shaped can.
The heat sealing head lifts away, revealing the perfectly applied silver foil seal, ensuring the freshness of the famous curved crisp inside.
The BG25 heat sealing station utilizes a circular med that will the red Pringles.
Moving at incredible speed, the automated quality control system uses laser precision to inspect the seal of every can.
This is the automated reject station, designated BG26. When a product fails inspection...
Deep within the massive facility, thousands of Pringles cans move with synchronized precision, a true marvel of modern automation. Designed for efficiency, the BG28 robotic arm can accurately sort and move up to 4 items per cycle using specialized suction technology.
At the heart of the packing line, the BG29 ensures that every iconic red canister receives its lid with pin.
Here we see the finished cans, complete with their signature translucent lids, moving smoothly down the line.
The BG31 coating station utilizes a high-speed laser to etch expiration dates onto the base of every Pringles can at an incredible rate. The sheer volume of production is immense. Thousands of these iconic cans move rapidly along the belts every hour.
The heart of the operation, the BG33 station meticulously arranges the cans into precise 3x4 configurations.
At packing station BG33, the specialized gripper arm lifts all 12 Pringles cans simultaneously.
Here we see the BG33 in action, precisely lowering 12 Pringles cans. This perfect fit ensures secure transit to the consumer.
Synchronized mechanical arms swiftly seal the boxes, a seamless blend of automation and efficiency on the Pringles line.
The BG34 sealing machine provides a rapid and secure seal.
The sealed Pringles boxes on line BG34 are now ready for the final stage before distribution.
The BG35 utilizes advanced inkjet technology to rapidly apply high-resolution codes direct.
This state-of-the-art robotic arm utilizes advanced pneumatic suction to quickly and efficiently sort products along the conveyor system. In the automated BG36 facility, the robotic end effector uses advanced suction to precisely handle the delicate snack containers. Automation has revolutionized the modern warehouse. This articulated robot ensures that every stack of Pringles is perfectly aligned for shipment.
To BG37. This highly organized facility utilizes advanced robotics to simultaneously stack thousands of boxes and cans every hour.
The BG37 robotic arm ensures precision stacking, utilizing advanced suction technology.
The automated conveyor system efficiently transports the neatly stacked Pringles towards the final wrapping stage. The loaded pallet continues its automated journey, passing through the safety gate towards the final shipping stage.
Utilizing advanced robotics, the stretch wrapper applies a clear film, protecting the load from dust and shifting.
The BG39 automated wrap station ensures that every pallet of Pringles is securely fastened for transit.
At labeling station BG40, the specialized applicator head moves precisely towards the wrapped pallet of Pringles.
Okay, forks are aligned. Securing the Pringles shipment now.
Safety is paramount here at the distribution center. The driver carefully maneuvers the load before transport.
The operator uses laser guides to navigate the massive racking system and secure the load at the 6th level.
So I'm just checking the inventory levels here before I head down to loading bay 3. Safety is always the priority in these aisles. Scan confirmed, manifest checks out.
Got to get this right up against the bulkhead. Nice and snug so it doesn't shift during transit. All right, clear the dock plate. Where's the manifest for BG Morse score 45?
Okay, that's the final signature for the Chennai shipment.
Great. Let's get this filed before the next pickup. Okay, this one is stamped. And flip the page. This order is ready to ship.
Traveling down the BG47, the driver navigates the industrial corridor, ensuring those Pringles reach the shelves on time.
The iconic red Pringles truck covers thousands of miles each week, ensuring shelves are always stocked.
Day and night, the BG47 route is dominated by trucks like this one, carrying everything from electronics